आज मैं आपको बेस्ट कॉलेज बताऊंगी जो हर स्टूडेंट की फर्स्ट चॉइस होती है. And why not? Because it's 107 years old government university and it ranks 6th under Russia's healthcare ministry. Watch video till the end. I might have a surprise gift offer for you all. Hello people, this side Saundarya, a third year MBBS student at GMC Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, and today we are diving into one of the most requested video, that is MBBS abroad. You know, when I was preparing for NEET, many of my friends were already preparing for MBBS abroad and talking to different agencies. But people like me had no idea कि कहाँ जाऊँ, किस agency को choose करूँ, requirements क्या है. इसीलिए I ended up taking a drop. But considering today's scenario, as both FMG and IMG are at the same level, इसीलिए MBBS abroad is being chosen by so many students all over India. But hey, today I am here to guide you and tell you about different colleges which is top ranked among the world. और हाँ, please don't underestimate. Just like MBBS in India, यहाँ भी seats बहुत जल्दी full हो जाती है. So don't worry if तुम्हें मनपसंदीदा कॉलेज ना मिले, because I will be sharing 5 such different colleges for you so that you have best options available. Watch video till the end. I might have a surprise gift offer for you all. चलो शुरू करते हैं. रशिया का नाम तो सुना ही होगा. It's very popular for its rich history, literature, ballet dancers, and its scenic beauty. As Russia has multiple colleges like
First Moscow State Medical University, First St. Petersburg Medical State University, Russian National Pirogov Medical University.
But आज मैं आपको बेस्ट कॉलेज बताऊंगी जो हर स्टूडेंट की फर्स्ट चॉइस होती है. And why not? Because it's 107 years old government university and it ranks 6th under Russia's healthcare ministry. You must be knowing capital city, which is Moscow. And this college is located just 5 hours away from the capital city of Moscow, in the city of Voronezh. So today we will talk about Voronezh State Medical University. एक काम करते हैं, let's dive into some specific ताकि आपको better idea हो. And along with it, I'll try to answer some frequently asked questions so that you can get a clear picture in your head.
It was founded in 1918, so it is around 107-year-old government university, which ranks 6th under Healthcare Ministry of Russia Federation. College is approved and accredited by NMC, WHO, Ministry of Education and Science of Russia. Around 2,000 Indian students graduated from the university and practicing. VSMU has renovated classrooms with centralized AC, heater, and anatomy table, and also provide access to medical stimulators, labs, etc. The teaching is provided totally in English medium by more than 1,000 faculties. Among those, there are 168 doctors of medical science, 510 PhDs in medicine, and 51 professors. Practicals. Clinical rotation starts from second year. Students can practice in real human body parts and organs. Duration of study is 5+1, that is, total 6 years including internship. The library is a focal point of study in any educational institution. VSMU's library have over 7 lakh copies of books. Each student accounts for over 180 copies of tuition literature annually. All books, both in electronic and a written format, are provided free of cost to all the students. Easy access to computers is an essential part of any study program.
And the best part, its MBBS MD degree is valid in UK, US and Europe too.
Internship is in the VSMU hospital for 12 months. Now the most important point कि इतना सब कुछ होने के बाद ट्यूशन फीस कितनी है कॉलेज की? So it's just around 2 lakhs rupees per semester. अगर हॉस्टल की बात करें तो हॉस्टल is just in front of the college campus with 5 minutes walk, which costs only 30,000 rupees for whole 1 year. Indian mess with veg and non-veg, both food is available in the hostel. So the total expenses for full MBBS in 6 years will cost you around 25 to 30 lakhs with all the including facilities.
अब eligibility criteria की बात करते हैं. You should have minimum 50% in PCB and overall in 12th. You should compulsorily have NEET passing marks. Also, this university takes online exam for the selection. So, अब important question कि किस agency को चुने? I think choose Select Your University because it has been trusted by so many students all over the India. It is an educational organization which has been working for several years now. It is a trustworthy agency which has helped students to study abroad in many different countries. And just like I promised, I have some exciting offer for you.
30,000 rupees instant discount on flight tickets for only first 20 students. So hurry up, register on the link given in the description box and pinned comment section to get your coupons collected.
I hope I solved all of your doubts. If not, you can always reach out to Select Your University. The number will be mentioned in the description box. Just like that, we'll review yet another amazing college. So stay tuned and don't forget to click that bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications. Subscribe to my channel and Select Your University channel so that you get periodically updated. तब तक के लिए bye. See you super soon at my next video.